used to run street, wild like breeze. My heart full of pride, my soul no have peace. But one day me hear a roots man sing. He said, your commandments change everything. So me pause my step, listen clear. 10 holy laws, know my soul draw near. Commandments fill my life, them guide me through the strife. Jala sweet like honey, me say, keep me steady day and night. Me walk with love, walk in light. Commandments keep me upright. Remember the first one, no God but Jah. Me used to trust money, now me trust the Father. Number 2, open me eye, no idol, me bow. Me break the chains, me free right now. Number 3, teach me speak with care. Jah name holy, me not swear. 4, tell me rest, give the Sabbath praise. Me build my soul in 7-day phase. 5, me call mama, tell her thanks. Honor my roots, my life advance. 10, sweet laws like reggae beat, keep me strong on Zion Street. Not just rules but love complete. Commandments hold me in a heat. 6, me not kill, me spread peace. 7, stay true, me no cheat. 8, my hands clean, me not thief. 9, speak truth, my heart breathe. 10, me grateful, not envy man. But blessed for real, that's a Jah plan. Oh Jah, you are the light to my feet. Oh Jah, I'm walking on your heartbeat. Commandments not fade away, them eternal, same yesterday. Commandments feed me life, them guide me through the strife. Jala sweet like honey, me say, keep me steady day and night. We walk with love, walk in light. Commandments keep me upright. Oh, the eyes, Jah rule the light.